Jeffrey, I thought you were born an adult. Well, as a nationally recognized healthcare leader, Donald J. Babb has dedicated his career. Do you want to stand up here with me?
Sure.
Oh, come on up. Come on up.
It's nice to have good partners.
Since 1981, Mr. Babb has led Citizens Memorial Hospital as its one and only Chief Executive Officer. I guess you were the founder. Okay. He also serves as Executive Director of Citizens Memorial Healthcare Foundation, Riverside Management and Rehabilitation, and CMH Properties. Dr. Babb is the previous chairman of the Missouri Healthcare Association and serves on a number of state and national healthcare organizations, boards, and committees. Dr. Babb has a lengthy list of recognitions, too numerous to name here. Even so, each award consistently recognizes one common theme. Dr. Babb has extraordinary talent, we all know this, vision, leadership within the healthcare industry, and has clearly dedicated his life to make an impact in the lives of patients and their families alongside many healthcare providers. In 2018, Dr. Babb was honored with the Missouri Quality Award, the Governor's Quality Leadership Award. He serves on the Board of Directors of the Missouri Trust and Investment Company and on the Board of Directors of the Bank of Bolivar. Dr. Babb holds undergraduate degrees as a medical technologist and a radiology technician. He received his Master's of Healthcare Financial Management from The Ohio State University and holds an honorary doctorate from Southwest Baptist University. In recognition of the visionary contributions of Citizen Memorial Hospital and the extraordinary influence of Dr. Don and Mrs. Carrie Babb, Southwest Baptist University is honored to establish the Don and Carrie Babb Department of Nursing on the SBU Bolivar campus, dated April 4, 2019. Join me in congratulations.
Thank you. This all started because I had a neighbor named Pat Taylor. And, Pat was a good friend, and he worked me hard. and what he was working on was the development of the school. And so it was something that we felt as an organization, a hospital and foundation, that was very beneficial to us as we try to meet the needs of our communities. And the difficult part is these young students will become nurses, and they'll fit a lot of roles, but they'll then probably go into nurse practitioner school and continue to serve the public in a different fashion. When I think about the needs in healthcare, and you see it nationwide, we have probably 50, 60 open RN positions in our organization. We need the people that we're bringing into the community, into our organization. And the possibility of getting this developed was, of course, with Dr. Taylor. But my new neighbor is also of the same influence. So I'm sure that there'll be other
We're
programs.
Working on something now.
Living in Bolivar has been such a blessing because Carrie and I came here in 1981 and with a goal of building a hospital and probably not planning on staying forever because I work for an organization out of Kansas City called Research Medical Center. And so once we came and we built the hospital and got it operational, I think we decided, Chris was, our daughter, was I think 7 years old. And so it was neat to have an organization and a community where people were family. And I think those are the things that really inspired us to be a part of this community. And so if I could take just a minute, our daughter Chris, her husband Neil, and Neil we found in England, and he's been a pretty good family member. Then we have Emmy, the oldest granddaughter, but Put your hand up, honey. And Lottie. So it's a family affair for us in what we do in healthcare. Chris came to school here. She did her master's in healthcare services, and then she also did a PT program here. So I can't get her to go back to work yet, but it's nice having a family that's dedicated to taking care of people. And and I mentioned to one of the ladies a minute ago, the young ladies who was touring us around, I said, when I first thought about going into healthcare, I hate to go in the hospitals. I couldn't stand the smell. And then I went into the healthcare arena, and I'm still here after 50 years. And it's an environment that is good for all of us. I think we learn a lot in dealing with the people we deal with. So, I think the things I want to really emphasize is, the university and our partnership with the university and what that means, not just for us, but for our communities. Because those are the people we serve, whether they're in Bolivar or Springfield or in other states, and those young people come here for an education that you provide, which is not like every university you go to. And so from my standpoint, I'm very proud to be a partner with you. And I want to say a special thanks to our foundation board, our hospital board, and all of our employees that make all these things happen that we do. And it's because of hard work that we do and are able to do to support this program and put the money up to where we can start it. I think the benefits we'll see are unlimited. Our organization is going to continue to grow. We have the ability to continue to expand. We have several projects on the drawing board, and these are the students we need to help us as we grow and go down the road. So I want to say a special thanks to Dr. Turner for his leadership, Dr. Taylor, the trustees, the faculty here, and all the people in the community that have supported us. Carrie and I are very blessed to be here. We've enjoyed being here 38, starting on 39 years. So it's kind of like I've lived here longer than I lived in any place in my life. And I grew up in West Plains, but I left as soon as I could get out of school. So it's been a pleasure to meet all the great people here. And I think that's what makes a community great, and that's how we tie things together and make it work. So it's an honor for Carrie and I for this recognition. Really, it's an honor for our hospital and our people that work there. So I want to say a special thanks to everyone, certainly the faculty, staff, the leadership in the nursing program, and the continued leadership with Dr. Turner.
Thank you.
It's a blessing to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.